na so. He, oh boy, when better thing they come, bad thing must follow on. But for bad thing to happen, they go fall. You understand? We'll come back again. As I dey talk at yours now. Hey, Naja Nawa, Ogida Nawa. Hey. I fear who not fear Naija government. If you dey there, you know they fear Naija government. Right now for me, make I begin to fear you. Waiting. Man, my people, waiting. How long? How long? How long we go your day for inside lie? They swim for inside lie. They see white lie. We don't feel call and lie. What's up, my people? Hey, I just say this in a joke. Not be comedy. I beg when I see the rat, when I help me kill him, I beg. Bros, you not see the rat for there. Oh boy, this rat, we must find out today. Oh. Presidential rat. I beg, if you see presidential rat for your house, I beg, try kill him, I beg. We need that rat to die. Because that rat, if he not die, our money go finish. Hey! Naija, the people wey dey Nigeria, our youth, wetin dey sup? See Naija, I fear who no fear Naija. I fear if you dey there, you dey watch me now, you no dey fear Naija. Right time for me say you no dey fear our government. Right time for me say you no dey fear them. Waiting. How long our government? What's up? How long? When I want to kill everybody before I know say man people they die. When I want to make sure say everybody perish. When I be wish. Hey. Rats. For inside president office. Rats. Ofen. He Ekutele for inside president office. Na erosion. Abi na Ajegule. President office not be Ajegule abi. Even my house rat no dey. Hey Jeremy, the thing no even pay me now say they see rat. Bros, they see rat not pay me. Now because of rat, because of ordinary rat, they want go rebuild office. Wait, be say me people dey street, they know they eat. People dey street, they know they feed they see no work, nothing, no light. Rat, small rat. People dey they never even get house to sleep. Rat, want go change office for rat. How? They say if person don't do wetin he never do before, he go dey see wetin he never see before. Nigeria mona they know that one. If person dey do wetin he never do before, he go dey see wetin he never see before. If wetin una dey do before not good, now mona change una way. This one una go dey see rat for inside office. Rat. One day una see antelope. Tomorrow they'll tell me say they see lion. Wetin dey happen? Okay, now does he go do now? Does say na tiger they go see or snake, rat. How many of una don sleep? How many houses rats dey for Benin there, for Nigeria there? How many houses rats dey? You know see rat wey dey inside Ajegule. You know see rat wey dey inside Lekki beach, inside Lekki estate, Jakode estate. Why people not park comot for inside the estate? Rat. Oh me I don't conclude. I don't decide. I don't say and say these people repentant no dey their mind. If somebody don't feel, if person no feel work say he don't tired to work, say for Europe here where we dey so. Say for Europe here where we dey so, you don't tired to the work. Say you dey sick. The next thing where you go see, you go resign. Now be work. You no fit work, resign. You not because say man, you no fit work. Make they come carry office, come your ass, or make they come carry the whole company documentary, come your ass. These people, are they not our workers? Are they not our workers? Upon the whole money they lavish, we not talk. If our president not be president, they will not treat her. If will not treat himself. Okay, because say they know say he need big money to treat himself. Now make they bring and come into post abi So that mean Nigeria for treat am. See, all these old men, abeg, we dey beg una. We don't know say na lie una dey talk. We don't know now, so we no go wise. Naija, we no go wise. What's up? We dey sleep. Our youth now dey hear. Abi the news na fake. Is it supposed to even enter social media and say they see rat for governor office? How? As how? Then make the governor know say time, make the president know say time don reach. See rat for president office. Na so e be. I dey tell people every day. Anything wey you dey do, anytime wey you dey do thing wey you never do before, na so you go dey see things wey you never see before. If you go place wey you never go before, you go dey see things wey you never see before. Na so life dey be. When e be say man, na now dem don dey see rats now, and dem dey run. Small time now, na lion go dey that their office, that their seat. Lion na dem go dey meet for that their seat. Tiger. All the ancestors in Nigeria, they don dey vex now. They don dey give una sign say they dey vex. Make una suffer, you carry una load, una comot for there. Una learn mechanic. Mo go find mechanic wey go repair the motor, because the motor na don use am to beyond repair. Our people don't get belief say the motor no go feel good again. But me, as a human being, I get belief say that motor go good. The kebab they must go, man. All those kebab, and they call them kebab. Kebab, now they be kebab. May they go. May they leave us. We don't know say na lie una dey talk. We don't hear around. We don't know say there is nothing good coming from you guys. At least this time around, we never supposed to hear any news, any stupid news. All we just supposed to hear now success news. It dey happen, it dey do like this. But now they find another story, they conquer story, come again. My brother, how long go dey inside river so go dey enter our eye? How long go dey inside river? These people go dey carry us, they go for inside darkness. We don't know. How long, my people? Election don dey come again o. I make me dey warn una so. Na make me set up my program of every Sunday so that make we know the value of our vote. Make we know wetin we dey do. Because these people, they take us for stupidity. They take us for nonsense. They take us for rubbish. They take us like idiots. They take us like say no be blood dey flow for our body. How can you imagine? You carry 180 billion people, they tell us this kind of lie, and they do this kind of thing, you know, even they fear. Your man don't even they shake. You know, even they want to say, man, these people, they be human being. Oh, God, we need Moses. We need people who will guide us to the promised land we have. Nigeria is a promised land. Nigeria is a land that everybody is dreaming to be. Nigeria is a land that has everything on earth. Nigeria is a land that blessed, that God created by himself, with his hand. But I keep on imagining why God is not intervening one day. Why these people not just sleep and not wake up? For we not to kill ourselves, for we not to waste the blood they said we are going to waste. Why can't these people not just sleep and wake up? How the witches and wizards wey dey Nigeria, and to the disturbance wey want progress, and to the fly go abroad with groundnut, to the hand for power line. I don't know how to fly good. I be the suffer wey they suffer, so how they suffer am. All the native doctor, this one I tell they do oracle, you know call dey expensive. And also I say people no dey give una money wey they suppose they give una again, because they don't use money buy all the goat and cow finish. You know they affect una. Una oracle no dey suffer. Una oracle wey dey drink blood. Many oracle for Benin now. No one dey kill goat for again. If native doctor throw oracle now, no money to buy goat. He go say go buy a head and a leg. The oracle they no dey vex. They short the oracle. The economic dey short the oracle. It dey short una oracle. The economic dey make the ancestors even dey hungry. No native doctor for Benin now, they say nothing wey you want to do, no oracle wey you want to do, wey go buy goat again. And to just go find goat head wey they don kill already. They cut it, they find him leg, just go butcher, tell them say make they give you goat head. No oracle dey chop fresh blood again. All those oracle, I just say they're blind. They don't know say the hungry na be that one. They suppose get up, make them speak for Naija, make them tell them say e don do, make them tell them say oh shit. How many Nigerian citizens they sleep with rat for house every day? How many Nigerian citizens they sleep with rat for us every day? How many Nigerian citizens rats don't shop with certificates? How many Nigerian citizens rats just shop a uniform? How many Nigerian citizens rats just shop a leg? How many Nigerian citizens just come on? Is it not in Nigeria? That man, that president, is he not in Nigeria? Is he not blood flowing in his vein? What is it? Is Buhari not a human being? Does he rat? They quit from your office because of rats? Not 1,000 rats? Not 1 million rats? Not okay. Maybe the office was invaded by rats. Maybe because can tell me one rat cannot chase a whole soldier from office, man. What's up? Is it the first government we see? Is it this first government? See, me I tell you, I just dey angry for some kind things news wey I dey hear because I know say there is no over a time you take hear that kind of news for anywhere. Nigeria news wey dey come out from Nigeria. I dey talk am o. I say if trumpet wan blow, na 2 times e go blow. E go first blow for Nigeria before e blow for any other country. If trumpet wey God talk wan blow, na 2 times e go blow because Nigeria dey don dey the end. The end don reach. Our youth, if una no get up, make una fight for una sef. Make una tell dem say no. Make una tell dem say e don do. No be so life people take dey live life. We dey comot for our country go live life for another man country. The people country go dey live life with, dem dey comfortable us right now. They are our own, only our citizens there. We never feel even comfortable there. How many can remain for inside? How many you know say can remain for inside? A lot don die. A lot don travel. A lot don dey Europe. A lot don dey America. A lot don full everywhere. Nigeria don share body full everywhere. Sotey go Mali, go Kuruketu for Mali, get one village wey for the east of it dey build house for all those Mali and Senegal, all those side. Our girls dey there. Our Nigeria boys dey there, dey barb hair. What's up? How many can remain? Wey be say man, una come dey do like say man, the country na your basketball. Just bounce down, just get up one morning. I see rat from my office. So for that simple reason, I quit my office for fucking months. Then they want to go rebuild another office where they say, man, you know how many people they sleep with rats. Part of our house for Benin, a rat na get out with that gen. The backyard where they near toilet. That side na for rats. So we don't care. Tell me, if you dey watch me now, if you never sleep with rat one day for house, tell me. Not be one day, for 1 year, for 10 years. Well, God don give the sign. Na rat na God send go give the sign. If they not change or quit, na lion they go dey see for their domot. Lion, tiger, snake. All those human beings call wey be say they don suck. All of them go dey stand for their door. All of them. Anything where they put their hand, na fire, na go dey cause for them if they not change. Na here, when I just dey do, na do pass, and I get swag, government wey get swag, wey no fit sleep with rats. Your citizens dey chop rats. Your citizens dey sleep gutter. Na your citizens dey sleep. Your citizens are beggar in the street, in everywhere, in all country. Go to Morocco, they are beggars. Go to Europe, they are beggars. Go to Nigeria, they are beggars. Go to Africa, they are beggars. Go to America, they are beggars. Go to everywhere, they are beggars. They beg for everything they want. You are leading a beggar. You are sleeping in a mansion by leading a beggar. Then you even say because of rats, you quit. No problem. We hear you. We are Nigeria. We patient well. We don't get patient for 100 and something days. May use telephone to rule us. We will see patient again for another 200 days. But 400 days go complete. 100 years not be forever. Nigeria youth, rise up and speak for yourself. And our papa, our mama, I beg una. Then they come again with election. Every Sunday, make una dey follow up ADYs online from 3 to 5. Follow up ADYs online from 3 to 5. We only plan to conquer them because we don't want to fight. We don't want to waste blood. So we have to hold our rights. We have a right. Our vote is our right. Our vote is our signature. Our vote is this voice that speak there. Our vote is the one that send the message. Our vote is the king. So we have to know how to use our vote. That's why I say follow me up every Sunday. You know, as I tell you before, I'm not a human rights activist. I say you always. I'm just a comedian that want his people to have a better life. I think Nigeria every day. I'm thinking one day I go to Nigeria, I open my door in my house, no criminal. I drive my car freely in the road. I bring any kind of car to my country, I can drive it. Here in Europe, we bring some fucking cars. We have some good cars that we cannot drive in Nigeria. Because of that, we cannot bring it. When we have good road, man, we can bring any cars of our choice. We can do anything of when we have light and good road, man. We can just say yes. What's the level? What's the level? That's what I want for Nigeria. I want Nigeria to be a place of peace and harmony. I want Nigeria to be a place that everybody will want to visit. As this country I am, Malta. Check it out in the world. Everybody want to visit Malta Island. I've been in this country for 6 to 7 years right now. I know that yes, these people are led by God. And everybody want to see them. Everybody want to come to Malta in Europe. I know Nigeria is dire. I'm seeing that kind of dream in Nigeria. So our youth, let's rise up and speak to ourselves. And our father, our mother, hold on to your vote. Your vote is your power. Your vote is your voice. Your vote is is the one that gives you authority in the nation. Don't give it to them anyhow. Don't waste it for them. They don't want it. Our youth, you that keep for them, they don't want it, man. They don't want it. Don't keep for them. Don't go their messages. Man, fuck them sometimes. Believe me, your brothers and sisters are dying. Any amount you see from them, I think it's just the money that you place with yourself and your family, your immediate family. But what about your brothers that are wasting everywhere along the world? Everywhere. Nigerians are wasting. Nigerians are dying. They still have time to tell us that rats can take them away from their office. They still have time in this condition, in this a lot of agitators, in this a lot of people are saying I want to go, a lot of crisis, a lot of things. They still have time to give to rats. That's wonderful. Still have time to give to rats with these conditions. So you know, say these people, even though Jesus come, tell them say repent, they not go repent. Lie, repentance, you know near them. Not to say Nigeria will better one day with this level we did, you are a failure. If you keep on thinking, say Nigeria will better, it go better. My brother, if you be Benin man, not that you batted your man or what you hearing. You hear me? It will never happen. Say leave Nigeria in this country, these people hand. One of them, just one of them be inside Nigeria government again is a disaster. Let me tell you the truth. When I hear, just continue to be a dreamer. By dreaming that Nigeria will be a better place one day in these people's hand. Your dream. In fact, you dey sleep on 1 million inches foam. You never wake up. Go wake up. Just a dream. One day go better. Aga, we dey talk. You get where you go even reach even self. The place. Nothing bad. I fit buy house for here. I fit buy my best car for here. My pikin dey here. Everybody dey here with me. Man, no stress. If na so, my father and my mother na be the thing. My mother dey with me already. My father, my pikin. Which one? How many pikin my father born? Na so me dey family rich now. Fit find visa for all of them. Come here, come relax. Yes, na I fit buy house for here. Fit drive any car when I like. Come like dey. You understand? And I declare, say me for sure, say me, yeah, I get family. So anytime we say me, I want to need them, they go assist me, bring them. So I not be person who not declare family. My brother and my sister in Nigeria, keep on waking up for your dream right now. Touch your brother if they watch me. If they watch me, touch anybody way near you, tell them say, oh yeah, wake up. This one I dream. If anybody, if they watch this video, just tap your friend. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Time to always more wake each other. You understand? Let's wake each other, okay? I love you guys. It's time to go hustling. I just go to just now when I get the last shot of this rat things, really can't imagine and saying the truth. You understand? You know good. You know good. Made that noise. Made that news even come out. News for rats from our president office. This time we have a lot of news. People are waiting for good news. You just wake up and say rats? Who expects rats noise, man? Did anybody expect any noise from rats in the Nigeria right now? Are you guys expecting it? Is it the news you are expecting in Nigeria right now? Like rat news? Hey! It bites me reach my bone, man. To hear that.